How to sync contacts in IMO. Syncing your contacts on IMO is designed to be super simple. This app is built to work seamlessly with your phone address book, so all your friends and family are just a tap away. When you first set up your IMO account, the app will ask for the permission to access your contacts. It's important to say yes to this. Once you do, the IMO will automatically scan your phone address book to find everyone you know who is along using the app. They will then show up in your IMO contacts list, ready to chat. And the best part is it is a continuous process. When you add a new contact to your phone and they happen to be on the IMO, this should automatically appear in your app after a while. No extra work needed. So this process has been done earlier, so I wouldn't be able to show you the process, but that is the process that you have to do before or while setting up your account. And what if your contacts are not showing up right now after you have been using for a while? Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. For that, what you have to do is simply go to the phone setting. Let me find my setting. It's right over here. Give it a tap. Once inside the setting, simply tap in the apps, which is right over here. Inside app, go to all apps. And here you will see the list of the app that you have. Now search for IMO. It's right over here. And here, see for the permissions. Tap on it. And as you can see, I have allowed call logs, camera, contacts and everything. If you have the problem of not syncing the contacts, what you have to do is simply tap on or simply access your contacts right over here. Just tap on allow and it will be allowed. And try a simple refresh. Close the IMO app completely and then open it again. And this often triggers a new sync. I hope this video helped you. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.